It is the 27th of July 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about the Tour de France. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Paramount pausa la compra de Warner. Paramount the purchase of Warner. Next, Lando Norris gana en Hungría. Lando Norris wins in Hungary. And Troy Jackson será el candidato de los demócratas en Maine. Troy Jackson will be the Democratic candidate in Maine. And now, today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Tadej Pogačar is the writer's name. Gana means wins. El Tour de Francia is the Tour de France. 2026 is the year. So the headline says, Tadej Pogačar wins the 2026 Tour de France. The headline uses the present tense even for a finished event, which is very common in Spanish headlines. La última etapa empieza en París, en los Campos Elíseos. The last stage starts in Paris, on the Champs-Élysées. Empieza. The verb tells us the stage starts there and etapa is the stage. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. La salida es tarde porque hay incendios en el suroeste del país. The start is late because there are fires in the southwest of the country. Porque means because, and it tells us the reason for the late start. More examples in the lesson sheet. Los organizadores acortan la ruta por seguridad y policía. The organizers shorten the route for safety and police. Acortan shows the route becomes shorter, and ruta is the course they change. Mathieu van der Poel gana la última etapa. Mathieu van der Poel wins the last stage. Gana is the headline style present tense even though the stage is already over. Tadej Pogačar termina el Tour en 73 horas, 56 minutos y 26 segundos. Tadej Pogačar finishes the Tour in 73 hours, 56 minutes and 26 seconds. Say it with me. Segundos. The final S is soft in Spanish. Now for the pattern of the day. Yo gano. Tú ganas. Él gana. Nosotros ganamos. Vosotros ganáis. Ellos ganan. The headline uses the él form gana. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What did Tadej Pogačar do? Is it A. Gana el Tour, deja la carrera, or C. Acorta la ruta? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, Enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.